Hey guys, what's up? Adrian here from Losh TV. We have Sioma with us.
Hey guys.
Licha, if you want to call him that for fun.
Yeah,
We're here at a haunt. I know it's Christmas time. We just went to 13th floor. If you guys haven't checked that out, go check that out. Today we're going to check out a home haunt, which is called Santa's Slaughterhouse. This event's going to be free to the public. All you have to do is go online and reserve a ticket. So it's like you're paying for it by not paying for it. Also, they're doing donations. The donations are going to be for babydj.org, or they're accepting toys here. Now, you don't have to donate, but you can if you want to. With all of that being said, we're going to get out of the car and get in there. So, roll that intro. Hey guys, Future Adrian here. I want to apologize about the fact that there's not that much footage for this video. I know right now I'm showing you the commercial / ad they ran for the event, but I will put in the footage that I took later. I was really just enjoying myself. It was such a fun atmosphere, and I really can see myself coming back out here again. I will most likely be out here next Friday to go check out this event one more time, because 1, it's free. 2, you can feel the heart and soul in this event. They told us that they're going to expand and make the haunt bigger, which I'm also very excited for. So if you guys have the opportunity to check this out, please do so, because I strongly recommend it, and I know a few other people that will as well. So enjoy the rest of this video. Thank you, and sorry that I couldn't record in the house.
I guess it's Tim.
They didn't feed Tim, and now he's skinny. That's what happens.
That's what happens when we eat.
I hate it when they child-proof it.
That's so rude. That's disrespectful.
It really is. Really is.
That I was not gonna cut him wrong.
First off, do not try this at home. Try it at a friend's house. You always want to go in wet, never dry.
Where's the blood? Oh, there's the blood. Yeah, I definitely will not be.
Yeah, I won't be trying that one. But good job. I'll leave that to you.
Professionals only.
Great job. Alright guys, so I am back home now. I'm sorry that I couldn't record in the house and that I couldn't give you that much. Before I continue, first, I want to give a shout out to 2 channels that were out there with me, that we stood there and we talked for an extra hour after the event ended. So shout out to Journey with Josh, and shout out to Kool K's Adventures. Go check out both of their channels, please. They're phenomenal people. Their channels are great. They put out amazing content, and they're just amazing people altogether. So do that, please, if you haven't done so already. Now, let's talk about the haunt. The haunt was pretty dang cool, okay? Of course, it was small. It was in a garage. But they told us, the owners, they said that they're going to expand within the house. So it's going to be bigger than just the garage. It feels a little tight and claustrophobic at times, but it's kind of because you're just in the garage. Now, when they expand into the household itself, which should be next weekend when I'll be going again, hopefully, there will be more to do and more to see. Now, with that being said as well, the characters / scare actors that were in here were doing a great job the whole time. They were on cue. There were some that followed you through the house. They were wearing their masks. They were being COVID compliant, 6 feet apart. It was great. I think, like I said, I'm going to go through again. And it's a free event, so why not? I mean, it's free. It's spooks. If you guys have the opportunity, take the trip out here. It's not far from your typical theme park. It's in Orlando. For me, I live a little further away. It was a 45-minute drive, but that's because I live a little bit north of Orlando. For you guys, it can just be a 5 to 10 minute trek. So if you guys can make a trip out here, do so. And let me know if you go. I just want to know what everyone's opinion are on this hunt. And with all of that being said, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what you want us to do next, because we have a lot of things that we want to do, but we want to make sure you guys want us to do these things so that we can do them together. Okay? Making sure. Subscribe if you haven't already done so. Also, I haven't said this in a while, but we have merchandise. So if you'd like to purchase some Losh TV merch, go ahead and go to the Losh shop. That is www.tpublic.com/stores/the-Losh-shop. There you go. I'll write it here so you guys can see it, so you guys don't have to deal with my terrible spelling. And finally, stay excellent, my dudes. Peace.